Hello, students. Welcome to a scientific session that is Train Your Brain with your scientific mentor, Deepchika. So, we will be discussing one of the condition and then what else is the main area that a student must know in that particular disease condition. So, today's topic is Parkinson disease. What is Parkinson disease? So, I'll just give you आप इस वक्त मेरी वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हैं. टेक 2 minutes ऑफ गैप एंड देन जस्ट थिंक कि जैसे ही पार्किंसन डिजीज मैंने आपके सामने बोला, what and all thoughts are coming in your mind. So try to make a brain map. That is what train your brain facilitates. So just make a brain map. जैसे ऐसे words क्लाउड की तरह फ्लाई करने लग जाते हैं, just give your give your thoughts and ideas some wing. Let your mind wander and just think of what you can, what words are coming, what disorder is coming, what symptom is coming when you think of Parkinson disease. अगर मुझसे कोई बोले आंख बंद करो and discuss about Parkinson disease, okay, हाँ, पिल रोलिंग मूवमेंट होता है हाथ में, ट्रेमर्स होते हैं. So like this, let your mind wander. Okay, so what is Parkinson disease? Parkinson disease is a progressive disorder that is caused by degeneration of nerve cells in the part of the brain that is called substantia nigra, which controls the movement, the motor movement. These nerve cells die or become impaired, losing the ability to produce an important chemical that is called dopamine. So, from this, you can take up two important or three important words, that is substantia nigra, some disorder that is related to motor functions, movement, and then a chemical that is involved that is called as dopamine. So, three words from this line, this definition. Moving forward, we will be discussing some of the important signs and symptoms of Parkinson disease. So, I would be naming these symptoms. You have to see the image and identify each and every word. What does it mean? What does it signify? Stooped posture. You can see the bended structure of this subject or of this image. Masked face, expressionless face. Forward tilt of the trunk, reduced arm swing. While we are walking, we have this hand-leg coordination. But in Parkinson, this hand-leg coordination is reduced, due to which there is reduced arm swing. Hand tremor. Slightly flexed hip and knees. Shuffling gait. Short step gait. They are so afraid of putting their step forward that they will fall. So they'll think and then they'll put small steps. So that is known as shuffling gait. Tremors in the leg. Flexed elbows and wrist. Usually, we leave our hand at the normal tone level. But in Parkinson, the patient usually have a flexed elbow and ribs. And the last sign and symptom, that is back rigidity. Rigidity is, we have some terms, that is rigidity and spasticity. So I would like you to find out the difference between rigidity and spasticity for now, and then why I have mentioned back rigidity here. So with this, I would end up this session. आई होप पार्किंसन डिजीज का जितना भी क्रक्स आपको मिलना था वो ट्रेन योर ब्रेन से मिल गया है. Whenever Parkinson comes in your mind, all the words that I've uttered today should come in your mind simultaneously. Thank you.